Hello, this is Marco from Busy.io, and in today's video tutorial, I'll walk you through how to convert document template images into drawings. When running a campaign, you would sometimes get a file not created error. More often than not, and upon closer inspection, this is usually caused by the way the image is inserted into your document template, as well as its alignment with text. Due to the recent changes with Gmerge Plus, it's important that images are inserted as drawings and that they are in line with your document text. And this is to make sure that when you run a campaign, the add-on would be able to detect the image and properly copy it over into your merged document. As a quick fix, first highlight the image and then place it in the clipboard by using the cut edit option, and doing so places the cursor at the same location for your image when we insert the drawing, and then click on insert drawing and new to open the canvas, and then after that just simply paste the image from your clipboard into the canvas and then click on save and close. These steps effectively converts your image into a drawing, and then once it's inserted into your document template, you can now proceed with setting its alignment with your document text. Your options are inline, wrap text, or break text. So previously we've been working with this image to wrap with text, so we will set it as such. For images that wraps with the text, you have the option to allow it to move along with the text or at a fixed position on the page. So in this case, we'll set it as at a fixed position on this page. And we now end up with an image that is inserted as a drawing, and we've also restored the preferred text alignment. So we are now ready to rerun our Gmerge Plus campaign, and let's see how that turns out. So going back to our Google Sheet, we will just clear out the Gmerge status and email tracking status, and then click on refresh your data just to make sure that everything's in sync. And then once that is loaded, click on generate and then now. Alright, in this case we have a successful document merge, so we'll just close out this summary report and proceed to open the merged document. Verifying on our merged document, we can clearly see that the image has been properly copied over, as well as the way it wraps with text. It's that easy to convert images into drawings on your Gmerge Plus template. To recap, here are a few reminders. Make sure that images are inserted as drawings in order for Gmerge Plus to properly work. And then alignment for these images with your document text can be set after converting such images into drawings. This is Marco from Busy.io. Thank you for joining me today. Please stay tuned for future video tutorials. Until next time, goodbye.